Alright, so Jay and I killed hour 2. It's about 4:45 right now. We're going back to where we started this morning, where there were 35 turkeys in a tree last night. Anyway, we were over here this morning and they flew the other way, but we've been told that they do make a loop back around, so we're hoping that they're going to make that loop back around. But Jay and Tim are just sitting in the car. We've had a long day, so Dad's over the hill already. I'm about to go meet him over the hill, and we're just going to sit here and hope that something makes its way around to us. Might call a little bit, but probably not a whole lot. Just going to kind of sit there and let the evening unfold for the most part. So hang in there. Hopefully we'll have a third Merriams down for the day. Like I said before, we're on, technically it's an outfitted hunt, to where we can hunt on their land that they either have or have permission to. All 3 of the turkeys we've killed have been on public, so hoping that we can change that and get one off of this private that we came here for. So just had a gobble up the left. He's got to be on our side. Oh, yeah, there he is right there. another gobbler right behind him. Shoot. He's plenty close enough. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, sorry, I jumped. Sight stay on your gun?
Huh?
I said, did your sight stay on your gun?
It did.
Perfect.
Can you believe that happened?
Hey. Do you see all the turkeys in the road? So that strutter walked straight across. Did you see him walk across that road?
Yeah. Well, I saw him walk before he got to it. I can't see around the curve. I think that one's Optimus Prime.
I think so. Did you? Hey, he somehow made it from that bank, when I saw him, from the top of that bank all the way across the road onto the other side of it in full strut the whole time. He didn't brake to go over the bank.
He's freaking pretty. He's prettier than my other one.
He's way prettier than your other one. Oh, yeah.
Holy cow. Look how big that fan is.
Oh. We can glue it back on.
Bub.
That's a big old turkey, Jack. Where you little footsies?
Oh,
those are good spurs. They all have pretty good beards.
yeah.
There was one of them.
Get a picture of me with that turkey so I can send it to Mom. Tell you what, it hammered him, didn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it did. Yeah.
Oh, man. All right.
Well,
Get old big fella up there. Stick him in the pouch.
no, let's not do that.
Why?
It'll kill his feathers. I'll carry him uphill.
How you gonna do that? How would you do that?
I don't want to kill his feathers.